you just said to me, I didn't prune my rhododendrons right after they bloomed. I read that that's what you have to do, and now what do I do? First of all, yeah, it's ideal, it's optimal to do that so that you are then giving the plant enough time to create buds for the following year. So that's the reason for that. But it doesn't mean you can't prune it at other times. In fact, technically, for the plant's sake, the best time is late winter, early spring, which just the humans like the flowers. So can you do it now? It's the beginning of September. Yeah, you can do it now. You'll be cutting off buds for next year.
Okay.
But if you're going to do a lot of pruning of it anyway, you were going to cut buds off. It's like you're chasing the buds. There's never a good time. We're reducing the size of the plant, so therefore there are going to be fewer flowers. Can you do it now? Yes, you can. If there's new growth that comes before the end of the season, there's a chance that the new growth won't survive the winter, but the plant will be fine. So you can go ahead. If you had to do a massive rejuvenation pruning where you're taking like 75, 90% off or whatever, I'd say just wait till the spring. But you just have a little, whatever you're going to take off a bunch, it's going to be fine.
Great.